In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Vimeo video to your Webflow project seamlessly and efficiently. If you're a Webflow user looking to enrich your website with video content, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First things first, you need to be logged into your Webflow account. So, go ahead and open up your web browser and head over to Webflow. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you're already logged in, that's great. You're one step ahead. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is where all of your projects are displayed. It's your main hub for managing your websites within Webflow. The dashboard is straightforward, but full of potential and creativity, all just waiting for you to unlock. Next, identify and select the project you want to modify with the addition of a Vimeo video. It's important to choose the correct project because you'll be making changes in real time. Simply click on the project to open it up. Now that your project is open, it's time to add a video to your Webflow canvas. Begin by locating the Add panel, which you can find on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and a variety of elements you can add to your site will appear. Drag and drop the video element onto your canvas wherever you'd like the video to be displayed. To make your workflow even more efficient, use a nifty shortcut. Press Command+E if you're on a Mac or Control+E if you're on Windows to open the Quick Find feature. This useful tool allows you to quickly search for elements within your project. Type video into the search bar, and the video element will appear, ready to be dragged into place. With the video element now in place, the next step is to integrate your Vimeo content. You'll need the URL of the specific Vimeo video you wish to embed. Copy this URL from Vimeo. Then, go back to Webflow, click on the video element you added, and you should see an option to input the video URL. Paste the Vimeo URL into this field. Here's the fun part. You can add a title to your video if you'd like. This can be particularly helpful for keeping your content organized or providing additional context to your viewers. Once you've inputted the URL and added a title if you wish, simply hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. You should see the thumbnail for your video appear within the video element on your project canvas. And there you have it. A Vimeo video now beautifully integrated into your Webflow project. Remember, the goal here is to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your website with engaging video content, which can be quite powerful in grabbing and retaining your site visitors' attention. Feel free to revisit any of these steps to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your vision. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.